Okay, so this is a mini version of the portal. Just clip back in place, just pops into place, and you remove it when you want to access the back. So the two AA batteries fit directly into the plasma. They can be removed and replaced. On the top of the plasma you'll see that it says on, sound or off. If it's on, then it'll be permanently working. So when it's not in use, switch it to off, and then switch it to sound when you want it to work with the radio or to respond to your voice or slight or quite hard vibrations. So that's that part taken care of. Right, the next part, to keep it all neat and tidy inside, you've got a 4 AA battery pack. So this powers the radio, so it can be switched on and off using this switch. To change your batteries and access them, put thumb at the bottom, finger at the top, and just push up lightly, and then that'll expose the batteries. Then the batteries just clip back into place. I'll try and do this single-handedly. Clip back into place onto the holder. Just let me put this down. Sorry, just like that, so it's clipped back into place. Right, so we see a display. I'll explain that very shortly. When you put it back on, you can actually see the display through the little window blade. So on the front of the unit, it's quite simple. So we've got reverb. I'll turn that down to start with. Then we've got volume. I've managed to get this to amplify fully without any distortion. And then you can add the reverb using this. Using the button on the left. So the button in the centre of the unit, if you press and hold that in a minute, I'll show you what that does on the back. So if you press and hold that, it will start to circle on the display. And what it will do is scan all the channels in the region. It'll memorise those, and when it's done a complete sweep, it'll play those back. So you're looking to get about anywhere between 16 and 25 channels. So it'll take a few minutes to do that. So once it's completed that process, you can just switch on the radio in future and use it from there on. If you move location, obviously when you receive the box, because you're in a different area to me, you'll have to go through this process. Thank you.